Okay, so for DMR today, it says select two ratios that are equivalent. Okay, so you're going to be picking of these 3 painting to 16 photographs, 11 paintings to 4 photographs, 6 paintings to 32 photographs. You're going to be picking which ones are equal, meaning equivalent. So you're going to start with 3 to 16. And then you're going to be like, okay, well, I think it's equivalent to 11 to 4. So you put 11 and 4. And then you do the butterfly method. You sit here and you do 4 times 3, which is 12. And then you're going to do 16 times 11, which is 176. So this box is, I get 176. And I'm going to make that font a little bit smaller. You get 176. So 3 paintings to 16 photographs is not equivalent to 11 paintings to 4 photographs. So now you have to try 11 paintings to 4 photographs to 6 paintings to 32 photographs. So you start with 11 and 4, and you start with 6, and then 32. And then you sit here and you're like, okay, well, 11 times 32 is 352. And 6 times 4 is 24. So 11 paintings to 4 photographs and 6 paintings to 32 photographs is not equivalent to each other. So now you have to try the last set that you have not compared to. You have not compared 6 paintings to 32 photographs to 3 paintings to 16 photographs. So we got to try that. 3 paintings, 16 photographs. So 6 times 16 is 96. And 32 times 3 is 96. So 6 paintings to 32 photographs is equivalent to 3 paintings and 16 photographs. You just have to compare them all until you find your answer. Okay? And that's how you would figure out the 2 ratios that are equivalent.